Glowing skin isn't simply a matter of genetics. It's about balanced routines, mindful choices, and healthy habits that work together to nourish your body from within, while providing the necessary care and protection on the outside. Achieving radiant, healthy-looking skin is achievable for everyone, regardless of age or skin type, by following some fundamental principles and making a few intentional changes. Here are 20 essential tips for glowing skin you can easily incorporate into your daily regimen. First, the foundation of glowing skin lies in hydration. Drink plenty of water every single day. Water flushes out toxins, maintains the elasticity of your skin, and keeps it supple. Aim for about 8 glasses a day, or more if you're active or in a hot climate. Don't underestimate the power that proper hydration has on the clarity and texture of your skin. Second, never skip your cleanser. Cleansing removes dirt, pollution, makeup, and excess oil that can clog your pores and lead to breakouts. Use a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser tailored to your skin type, whether that's gel-based for oilier complexions or creamy for those with dry skin. Always cleanse your face at night, even on days you go makeup-free, and ideally in the morning as well. Third, exfoliate regularly but not excessively. Exfoliation clears away dead skin cells that can dull your glow and block your pores. Aim to exfoliate 1 to 3 times weekly. Using physical scrubs with fine grains, or chemical exfoliants containing alpha or beta hydroxy acids, depending on your skin's sensitivity. Over-exfoliating can cause irritation, so less is often more. Fourth, moisturize every day, regardless of skin type. Hydration on the outside is just as important as it is on the inside. Choose a moisturizer suited to your skin's needs. Lighter lotions or gels for oily skin. Richer creams for dry or mature skin. This locks in moisture, helps repair the skin barrier, and keeps your complexion soft and dewy. Fifth, never forget sunscreen. Ultraviolet rays from the sun are the #1 cause of premature aging, discoloration, and even some skin conditions. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 and apply it every morning, even on cloudy days or if you stay indoors. Don't forget often missed areas like your ears, neck, and the backs of your hands. Sixth, make antioxidants your friend. Foods rich in antioxidants, like berries, leafy greens, nuts, and seeds, help fight free radicals that can damage your skin. In your skincare routine, look for serums containing vitamin C, vitamin E, and niacinamide. These ingredients brighten, protect, and revitalize your skin for an inner and outer radiance. Seventh, pay attention to your diet. What you eat directly impacts the health of your skin. Focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats such as avocados and olive oil. Avoid excessive sugar and highly processed foods, which can trigger breakouts and instruct your body to produce more oil. Eighth, get adequate sleep. Sleep is when your body and skin repair themselves, and consistent lack of sleep leads to a dull complexion, dark circles, and increased signs of aging. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night, and create a calming bedtime routine to help you wind down. Ninth, practice stress management. Chronic stress elevates hormones that can cause inflammation, breakouts, and other skin issues. Find healthy coping strategies, such as deep breathing, yoga, journaling, or walking outdoors, to keep stress in check, which in turn supports glowing skin. 10th, keep your hands clean and avoid touching your face. Your hands come into contact with countless surfaces throughout the day, picking up dirt and bacteria. Touching your face can transfer these impurities and lead to clogged pores or blemishes. Make a conscious effort to clean your hands regularly and be mindful about minimizing face touching. 11th, always remove your makeup before bed. Makeup left on overnight clogs pores and leads to breakouts, while also preventing your skin from its natural nightly recovery. Use a gentle makeup remover followed by your cleanser. Double cleansing, starting with an oil-based product, then a water-based cleanser, is particularly effective for thorough removal. 12th, choose skincare products suited to your skin's current needs, and don't overcomplicate your routine. Using too many products, especially those with active ingredients, can overwhelm and irritate your skin. Start with the basics: cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen, and add in targeted treatments like serums or spot treatments as needed. 13th, pay attention to your skin's unique reaction to seasonal changes. In colder months, the air is drier, and your skin may require heavier moisturizers and gentle, non-stripping cleansers. In the summer, you may need lighter, gel-based products and more vigilant sun protection. Adjust your routine as necessary. 14th, commit to regular physical activity. Exercise increases blood circulation, which delivers more oxygen and nutrients to your skin and helps flush out toxins. Sweating also opens up pores, helping your skin's natural detox process. Just remember to cleanse your face after every workout to remove sweat and prevent clogged pores. 15th, don't neglect your neck and décolleté. These areas are often exposed but sometimes forgotten in our routines. Extend your skincare products, including sunscreen, down to your neck and upper chest to keep these areas smooth and youthful. 16th, avoid hot water on your face. While a hot shower might feel relaxing, hot water can strip your skin of its natural oils and cause dryness or irritation. Instead, use lukewarm water for washing your face, and always pat gently with a soft towel rather than rubbing. 17th, sanitize objects that touch your skin frequently, such as your phone, pillowcases, and makeup brushes. These items can harbor oil, bacteria, and debris, which may contribute to breakouts or irritation. Clean makeup brushes weekly, change pillowcases every few days, and wipe down your phone regularly. 18th, listen to your skin and be patient. Results from new products or habit changes take time, generally several weeks before noticeable improvements. If your skin reacts negatively, revert to the basics and make changes one at a time so you can identify what works best. 19th, get professional advice when needed. If persistent skin issues like acne, persistent redness, or rashes don't improve with over-the-counter care, consult a dermatologist. They can recommend treatments and products tailored to your specific skin needs, helping you achieve the healthy glow you want. And finally, embrace self-care and confidence. Glowing skin is enhanced by confidence and well-being. Take time for little rituals you enjoy, whether it's a relaxing face mask, a few quiet moments in the morning sun, or simply applying your moisturizer mindfully. Remember, your skin changes over time, and so should your approach to its care. Self-acceptance and routine care work together to make your skin the best it can be. In summary, glowing skin is the result of nurturing both your body and mind. Stay hydrated, cleanse gently, moisturize daily, protect with sunscreen, and eat nourishing foods. Prioritize restful sleep, find ways to lower stress, and move your body regularly to boost circulation. Treat your skin with gentleness, respond to its changing needs, and keep common touch items clean. Above all, recognize the uniqueness of your own skin. Avoid comparisons, and cultivate a routine that helps you look and feel your radiant best. Glowing skin may require dedication and patience, but with each mindful habit, you're investing in your health, confidence, and lasting beauty.